everyone, it's Stacy from Peony Lane Designs. Have you subscribed to the channel yet?
You gotta subscribe.
Subscribe now!
Subscribe.
Okay, let's get out of the parking lot. So, I'm here with my Junkin Buddy, #1 Junkin Buddy. She's got her slushie.
Guess where? Casey's.
She's got her Casey's slushie, so we are off to another junk run. If this idiot in the parking lot can going. Probably gonna bleep that.
Bleep.
So, oh, for crap on a cracker, people.
Bleep.
So, we've already made one junk stop today at a thrift store, and I'm pretty excited about what I found there. Got some Junkin ironstone transferware, so that's really pretty. And we're gonna hit one more thrift store. We have an appointment today at 4, so we've got an hour to kill. So we have just enough time to pop into one more thrift store, see what they've got, and see if we can find a treasure. What do you think, Peekaboo? Will we find one? Peekaboo says yes, and I've got my lucky winter Junkin hat on, so we are off. Woo! Slipping. Super icy. It's been snowing like crazy. We've had a hard time getting out of the house this year. It's been awful.
Yeah, and sometimes I had 2 hours off of school and no school.
Yeah, school's been canceled and delayed quite a few times this past 30 days, so it's been really rough getting out there, but we are on top of a thrift store and we have time to kill, so we are going Junkin. All right. See ya. Wow, we scored.
I got stuff this time.
She got a lot of stuff this time.
4.
At this store, she got a lot. Let's see. How am I doing here? Okay, are they gonna walk behind me? Yeah, they're gonna walk behind me. Okay, we'll wait for them. I won't kill a pedestrian. Anywho, she got a spiral curling iron. Next time you see little mini JoJo Siwa back there, she's gonna have spirals. Or she'll burn herself horribly and never want to use it again. 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. Could go either way. So, but anyway, I got some vintage glassware that's gonna head to the Etsy store. If you haven't checked that out, you can check my link down below. I always have a link to my Etsy shop. But we will show you what we got. So what do you think, Peekaboo? We scored, right?
Yeah.
We like our treasures. What do you think?
Yeah.
We always love to
mine.
see your comments in the comments down below.
And I probably will make my own YouTube because I just got a light so I can actually use it so everybody will be able to see.
I'm not editing no YouTube channel for you.
What, you gotta help me. At
No,
least.
what? No, you know what that means, y'all? Mom, you gotta do it for me. I don't have time.
No, you gotta show me how so I can do it myself.
We're in negotiations. But anyway, what was your favorite thing you got today?
The light so I can make YouTube videos.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a
thumbs up.
and don't forget
to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't. So you will.
I make it look so much easier than that, don't I?
Yeah. So
Don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll be notified of future videos.
Yeah.
And how do they know if they've subscribed or not?
If the subscribe button is still red under there, you gotta click it to subscribe.
Smash that button if it's still red. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy junkin'.
Bye.
Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.